Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling fantastic and today I'm going to teach you exactly how to make $10,000 a day online. So with that being said, cue the intro. So before we do get started, if you're new here, this channel is about how to make money online and also how to create passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you get notified every time I put a video out, because if you don't do that, chances are you won't see my videos when they come out. And it would be a shame to miss out on increasing your bank account number, wouldn't it? So make sure you do subscribe to my channel. With that being said, let's get started and how you can make $10,000 a day online. Now, first of all, you need free traffic. Why I say free is because most of the time, if you're just starting out, you will not have very much money. So, how do you get free traffic? I got this question a ton of times, so I really want to be clear with it. This will take some time. You have to be persistent with it, but you really need free traffic. So, how do you get that free traffic? Well, you need to post content, whether it's a blog or a YouTube channel. These are my two favorite ones, because if you start going into something else like Instagram, it's going to be way harder to have targeted traffic, and that's what you want. You don't just want a million people to watch your stuff. You want people that are really interested in what you have to say or write. So, how do you choose if you want to create a blog or a YouTube channel? That really depends on you and who you are. If you're comfortable with YouTube, I suggest doing that, because people get to sort of know you, and video is where the world is going right now. But if you're more comfortable with writing, then you can create a blog. Also, make sure that you know on YouTube you don't have to show your face. It's better to do so, but if you just can't get over the fear, which I suggest you still do, there are a ton of people that don't show their faces that are making like so much money. I heard the other day that this guy was making $80,000 a month without showing his face. So you can definitely do that, like do reviews and stuff. You don't have to show your face to do so. So now you're going to ask me, well, what do I post content about? You are going to have to post content about something that you're really, really interested in, because otherwise you're just going to not do it for long enough, and that's kind of the next point which I just touched about. But you want to talk about something that gets you excited. What would you do for free, like that you would still do? Like, what do you talk about with your family members, with your friends? What is something that really gets you pumped to talk about? It doesn't matter what it is, you just have to talk about it. So whether it's tea, tech reviews, makeup, fitness, and like these are the biggest ones out there, but there are a ton of stuff. If you like cars, you can show people how to work on their cars. There are literally thousands, if not millions, of niches out there. You can talk about anything. Maybe you know how to create table or chairs, show people that. Maybe you know how to build a wall, do that as well. Anything that you're interested in, just do that, because you're going to have to do that for a long period of time. And that's like, people underestimate that because they just want to make some money, but it's going to take some time, so make sure that you do that. The next thing is you want to be congruent and consistent at the same time. What I mean by that is you can't talk about one thing and then switch right to the next in the next video. Like if you talk about tech reviews, you don't want to talk about something like cooking in the next video. Or if you talk about makeup, you don't want to talk about fitness, because your audience will hate it. They will not know what to expect from you, and they will unsubscribe from your channel. So you really have to dig into one niche, and that's why I always say that you have to be really passionate about it, because what I mean by consistent is you're going to have to post videos all the time. Now, I do post videos every single day, 24, like I was going to say 24/7, but that doesn't really count. What I mean by that is I post videos every single day. So, do you have to post videos every single day? No, you do not. But the more you post, the better it will be. So if you post 3 videos a week, that's like the minimum. You can't post less than that. If you post less than that, it's just not going to work. And depending on how competitive your niche is, you will have to post way more than that. So it really depends, but if you can post videos every single day, I highly suggest that you do that, because YouTube will recognize that you're not there to joke around, and that will help rank your videos up from time to time. So if you don't post every day, try and do it more than you used to do. Just do that. Just post more than before until you get to that point where you're posting videos every single day, because that is what is going to build your YouTube channel or your blog. You have to post articles every day, and that's why you probably want to be good at it. So this is how you get the free traffic. You post content all the time on something that you're interested in a niche. That doesn't change. Don't post things on everything. Don't post on blogging. Like, some people do vlogs, but they earn very little money unless it's like tied to a niche, because they only get revenue from ad revenue basically, and that's a hard way to do that. So once you do that, once you have like that audience that's following you, because now you have an audience that's following you, you have multiple videos, you have multiple subscribers, people really like to see your content, and you have built an audience. The next thing is you want to create an email list and promote some offers. So what I mean by that is you have to offer something for free. Like, maybe it's an ebook to help people get further in learning about tea. Maybe it's about headphones and what are the best headphones that they can buy. It can be a lot of different things, okay? So you have to write that ebook, and you are going to tell them, link in the description if you want to learn more. I have an ebook, whatever you want to say, but make sure that you have a call to action to tell them to click on the link below. When they get to that link, they will have to enter their email in order to get that ebook, because you are going to email the ebook for them. Now, don't worry, you will not have to do this manually. This is something that's going to be automatic. So people enter their email, they get that ebook by email, and then you can promote some offers. Don't spam people offering them a ton of different stuff that they don't talk about. Once again, you want to be congruent. If you're talking about tea, your offer has to have something to do with tea. If you're doing workout, it has to do something with working out, or maybe healthy eating, something like that. If you don't do that, it won't work. So, and people would just unsubscribe from your email list, and that wouldn't be very good. Even though some people will definitely unsubscribe, but most people will stay. It's just like on Instagram, on YouTube, whatever. People get sick and tired of you, and they don't want to hear from you ever again, and that's okay. But the more congruent you are, the less people that will unsubscribe. So you're going to promote them with offers, but not just offers. Tell them why it's good, and also give them an affiliate link so that they can buy from you. Now, the last tip is something that a lot of you don't really care about, but it's very important. It's mindset. If you don't have this right, nothing is going to work. You can do everything that I just talked about. If you don't have your mindset right, you won't be able to do that, because you have to believe that you can actually do this, because creating a blog or a YouTube channel is going to take a lot of time to actually get some traction. You're going to have to post every single day, or at least multiple times a week, without any results. People are not going to watch your videos at the beginning. They're not going to watch your blog posts. It doesn't matter. People don't watch your videos because YouTube wants you to prove yourself. So the more you post videos, the more YouTube will kind of get you like, this guy is serious, he knows what he's doing, he's posting videos all the time and he's not giving up even though nobody is watching his videos. Then we can rank his videos up. That's basically how it works. That's the algorithm of YouTube. If you post consistently every day, then you will start getting views on one video, then two, then three, and so on. So not every video will get a ton of views, but from time to time you will get bumped up a little bit, and then the more you do that, the more it will get bumped up. So maybe one day you'll get 30 views and you'll be happy, but then after like 6 months or a year, you may be getting 10,000 views on another video. So it takes some time, but you have to stay consistent with it. And you have to have the mindset of going into it and knowing that it will take time. Don't say that after 6 months you're giving up. Don't say that after a year you're giving up. You have to just do it until it works. That's very powerful. Do that until it works. Just do it. That has to be part of your day. It has to be planned out that you make some videos. So with that being said, I hope this video got you a ton of value. Make sure that you leave me a comment and let me know what you think of this video, because I'm always interested in that. And also make sure that you hit that subscribe button, because you don't want to miss any videos, because as I said, I'm posting videos every single day and you don't want to miss any of them out. So make sure you hit that like button, make sure you leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.